Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mother Baby Care. So today's video is about consuming chia seeds in pregnancy. So let's start this video. Chia seeds are edible, tiny black seeds of chia plants. Chia seeds are a superfood that is highly nutritious and provides key nutrients to the expectant mother and her growing baby. In this video, we are going to talk about the benefits, side effects and nutritional value of chia seeds. So watch this video till the end to know all about having chia seeds while pregnant. So without any further delay, let's start this video. First of all, we are going to talk about the health benefits of chia seeds during pregnancy. The benefits of consuming chia seeds during pregnancy are: first, promote fetal development. Chia seeds are a rich source of minerals such as magnesium, iron, calcium, selenium, and many more. All of these minerals are essential to keep you and your baby healthy throughout your pregnancy. Second, healthy heart. Chia seeds contain powerful antioxidants that reduce the risk of developing chronic illness such as heart-related disease or cancer. Third, prevent constipation. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber that helps to keep you away from constipation, thereby keeps your digestive tract healthy. Fourth, prevent anemia. Iron deficiency during pregnancy can cause anemia. Chia seeds are a good source of iron, and consuming them during pregnancy helps to reduce the risk of developing anemia. Fifth, regulate blood sugar levels. Chia seeds help in maintaining your blood sugar levels under control. High blood sugar levels can lead to gestational diabetes. Sixth, alleviate cramping. Chia seeds contain magnesium that is essential to alleviate cramps and tension in the muscles. Seventh, strengthen teeth and bones. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium which is required to strengthen teeth and bones. Eighth, boost energy. The fat and protein content of chia seeds boost your energy levels and fight fatigue throughout during pregnancy. Ninth, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids that help to prevent heart diseases and are also essential for the development of fetal brain. 10th, good source of protein. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein that is required for the development of your baby's organs and tissues. So these are some of the amazing health benefits offered by chia seeds during pregnancy. Now let's talk about its side effects. Although chia seeds are highly nutritious and safe to consume during pregnancy, but there are some side effects of chia seeds too, especially if you overeat them. So some of the possible side effects caused due to over consuming chia seeds during pregnancy are: first, gastrointestinal problems. Overconsumption of chia seeds during pregnancy can lead to gastrointestinal problems such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Second, lower your blood pressure. Chia seeds are blood thinners and can lower your blood pressure. Third, allergic reactions. They may also trigger some allergic reactions such as rashes or hives. You have to remember, excess of anything is harmful. So don't overeat anything. Chia seeds are extremely beneficial to consume if you take them in a moderate amount. Now let's talk about the ways to consume chia seeds during pregnancy? You can consume chia seeds in various ways. Some of the easy and simple ways to include them in your pregnancy diet are: first, you can eat raw chia seeds as a snack. These seeds are long lasting and imperishable. Second, soak chia seeds overnight in water and drink it the next day. Third, add chia seeds to pudding or dessert. Fourth, you can add chia seeds to salads, smoothies, yogurt, cereal, snacks, or any other dishes that you make. Frequently asked questions. First, are chia seeds safe during pregnancy? Yes, chia seeds are perfectly safe to consume during pregnancy, but remember to eat them in a moderate amount, as overeating can cause some side effects too. Second, how many chia seeds can I have while pregnant? Chia seeds are packed with various key nutrients that are vital for a healthy pregnancy. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily are enough to consume during early pregnancy. Speak to your doctor to know the right and safe amount of chia seeds for you to consume during pregnancy. Third, can I eat chia seeds during early pregnancy? Yes, you can eat chia seeds throughout your pregnancy, as they contain many vital nutrients that are good for you and your baby as well. Fourth, can I eat raw chia seeds during pregnancy? Yes, raw chia seeds are perfectly safe to consume during pregnancy. Fifth, can I drink water with chia seeds while pregnant? Yes, you can drink water with chia seeds during pregnancy. Chia seeds are highly recommended due to the presence of powerful antioxidants, vital minerals, and high protein content. But consult your doctor to find out whether they are interacting with your existing medications before adding them to your pregnancy diet. If your doctor approves you, then consume these highly nutritious seeds while pregnant. So guys, that's all about today's video. If you guys have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask them on the comment section. And we wish you a very happy, healthy and safe pregnancy. Stay safe and keep shining. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. To know more on this topic, you can click on the link given in the video's description box. Visit our website www.motherbabycare.in and also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/motherbabycare.in. Like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel Mother Baby Care. Thanks for watching this video.